Hey guys, so I wanted to tease the next design that's coming out on my Cult 3D, and it won't be any of mine, it will be my daughter Abigail's. She made this cute design. You want to present it?
It's guinea pigs!
Yeah. And they are print in place, no supports. They print like this, and the little legsies pop out. And then you can stand them up and lock them in place.
Just like this one.
Like this.
And there's a little heart on the forehead pointing towards my birthday on Valentine's Day.
Yeah, they're super cute. And we printed these purple ones in color-changing filament, so...
I've been holding my hand on it, and look, it's pink.
Yeah, usually they're purple, but when they warm up, they'll become pink. But yeah, this design will be out Monday on my Cult 3D, so don't forget to look in and check out her design when it releases on Monday. Bye!